Hey, Jimmy with Cuffing Stuff. Oh my goodness, is it my time of year? We got a good one for you today. I've been waiting all winter for spring to go to the lake or a pond and catch some brim. Oh my goodness. Fried fish, fried hush puppies. Oh my goodness. It's my time of year. I'm gonna show you how to cook fresh fish straight out of the lake. So, hang tight. All right, we have our brim cleaned. I'm gonna cut 2 slits on each side. All right, what am I gonna use to season? I'm gonna use gator shake. What else? Oh my goodness. You just can't beat gator shake. All right, I'm gonna take, and I wanna get the shake down inside. Not just on the outside. I don't wanna get it from one end to the other. All right, I'm gonna take, now I've got just straight cornmeal down in this. This is white cornmeal. Yellow will work, but I've got it, you see, in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna shake it good, make sure I get it inside the fish, and then all of it, I'm gonna shake it off good, and then I'm going down in the oil. All right, this is canola oil I'm using today. You choose your favorite oil. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna do one at a time. I really don't want to crowd the oil. Okay, we've got a nice golden brown on these. Let's take them out. I'm gonna put them over here in the pan with the paper towels. Let's do some more. Okay, here's the last ones. And there we go. Okay. Golden brown. This is the last ones coming out. This is gonna be more than enough for us. Isn't that pretty? Now, we got one more thing to do here. It goes with fish. And that is, we got to do hush puppies. In the South, we got to have hush puppies. So I just take a spoon and take a spoonful and just dump off in this hot oil. I believe I'm going to be able to get them all in there at once. There we go. All right. Looks like the hush puppies are done. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Are those pretty? Never had hush puppies before. You gotta try it. Back in the day, the story goes, while you were frying fish, you had the puppies begging at your feet for a bite of fish. You threw them some of the batter and said, "Hush, puppy." And that's where the hush puppy came from. And there we go. Try to get all this out because cracklings and all, we'll eat them. Oh my goodness, they're good. If you want the recipe for the hush puppies or what I did to the fish, comment below and I could add them to the description if you really want to see it. The fish is fantastic. I'm gonna have to say, I tried it. I didn't show you. Hush puppies, look at this. Delicious. Okay, so if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit the circle on this side, subscribe. You won't miss a thing when we do these videos. You'll be notified. I'll have another video just for you down here. Neither one will cost you a dime. Until next time, hey, hang tight.